Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have an account. Sign in and open Google Photos now. First, enable backup and sync so uploads happen automatically, and pick original versus high quality depending on storage. Next, upload a batch. Drag and drop on desktop or tap plus on mobile, then select folders or camera roll. Once done, make sure the app shows upload progress. Confirm recent photos appear. This gets your images into Google's system quickly and prepares them for organization and search. Now organize and clean your library. Create albums to group events, then drag photos into those albums. Albums make sharing easier. Use the search bar, type people, place names, or objects because Google Photos analyzes image content for fast finds. For each photo, tap Edit to crop, straighten, apply filters, and tweak exposure or color. You can compare before and after. Once done, check face grouping and labels so future searches are faster and more accurate for you. Finish by sharing and saving your work. Share albums or single photos with a link or add collaborators. Set permissions so recipients can view or edit. To export, select photos or an album, choose Download to get originals, or export an album as a zip. If you need device space, use Free Up Space to remove local copies after confirmed cloud backup. If uploads stall, check internet connection, your Google storage quota, and backup and sync settings. Restarting the app often clears sync hangs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.